Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check KLM flight status. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in klm.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have at the home, my trip, check-in and the information. And also you can see that we have, as you can see, in the top right corner of your profile, and in the middle of the screen, we have the book a flight option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check KLM flight status. So first of all, go to the KLM flight status page, which you can go and get here. So on this link here. Now, when of course it opens, this flight status thingy, then enter your flight number and departure date in the search field and click track button to view the current status of your flight, including departure and arrival times, gate information, and any delays or cancellations. You can also check your flight status through the KLM app or by contacting KLM customer support. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.